ningababizi abomndeni wenu ngemimoya. Abomndeni wenu ningabathuki. Nize ningababizi nangamagama abantu abangembulelekanga ngoba wena usuyazi oMateyu naboMakhi abangakusizi ngalutho. Respect your families. Kuyingozi ukuhlonipha kakhulu umfundisi uzoguqa phansi. Kanti you can't kneel down in your family. You can't kneel down for your husband. You can't kneel down for your father and your mother. But umfundisi uzolala phansi. Kanti you don't kneel down for your husband. You don't respect your husband. But it's easy for you to respect a man of God. Akunandaba ukuthi banjani. Akunandaba ukuthi wena usuthi abambuleleka. Kanti senikhohliweni bantwana mina oshumayelile ngithe ivangeli liwumusa nakuba bengekho sani ohlelweni lakho, but they're still a part of you. Izwa esiphambanweni kwenzakalani. Siphambanweni iselenga uJesu kwabaleka amadoda kade naye enza kubo imangaliso day and night, kodwa kwasala unina nobani nendodana bemile. Family is important. Nansi into engifuna uyi-understand. Ivangeli liyasifundisa. Lisifundisa i-order. Into enziwa Musa, ivangeli lisinikeza ukuhlakaniphisiswa okungcono.